Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Check host CPU, RAM, and free data store space so the VM won't starve. Once done, gather the OS ISO or a template and confirm the data store and networks are reachable. Now open the Vmware client and click Create New Virtual Machine. You choose Typical or Custom, pick Custom if you need specific CPUs, SCSI controller, or disk provisioning. This step sets the foundation and prevents rework later, so make choices deliberately. You now select the guest OS and version, so VMware applies the right defaults and drivers. That matters for performance and compatibility. Then assign CPUs and RAM based on workload, select disk size and thin versus thick provisioning for performance versus space savings, and pick the SCSI controller type. Next, attach the ISO or template and select the data store and network adapter, setting VLAN or port group if needed. Make sure VMware tools will be installed after first boot to improve integration. You finish by reviewing all settings, confirm boot order, EFI or BIOS, and secure boot as required. Save and power on the VM. Then install the guest OS from the attached ISO, reboot as prompted, and install VMware tools to enable drivers and features. If the VM fails to boot or is slow, check the host logs, resource contention, data store latency, and correct network port group mapping. Often resizing CPU/RAM or switching disk provisioning resolves performance issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.